Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to fill text with image here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Filling text with images in Canva is a straightforward process that can create a striking visual effect that enhances your design. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to open the design or project that you're working with. If you haven't already, click the Create a Design option in the upper left corner to start from scratch. In my case, I'm going to be hovering to the templates. And I'm going to choose the YouTube thumbnail because after recording this video, I'm going to upload alongside with it a thumbnail in our T-Plaf's YouTube channel. Now, essentially, for you to be able to fill text with images, there are multiple ways for you to do it. Number one option is the easiest way is going to Elements. Here, I want you to look on the Frames section. Click on See All Frames, hover down below where you can see the letters, right? Now, I'm going to choose something like resembles our logo or our brand. That's going to be Deep G-Plafs. Okay, so that letter L, letter A, U. I think it's not gonna fit in. I'm like the font a little bit smaller. G, H. Hold on, let me just make it a little bit smaller here. And of course, S. Now, first is, all I gotta do is hover to your photo section on the left side. You can drag as many photos as you can per letters. All right. For example, I'm going to drag this here, that here, this one here, maybe this one at that. And of course, you can use this here, maybe this here, this one here, that, and here, and of course here. We can put in some background to make it visually creative. Say use this one, or how about this one, right? That's one way. Another option of that we can do is again go for another blank page. I want you to click on Apps. Now here, I want you to type in font frame. Now I want you to click on it. What will happen is you can create a vibrant text with image backgrounds. You can add an image background to your text by uploading an image or selecting an image from your design. Change the font, adjust the image placement, and more. All I'm going to do is allow the permission, click on Open, and of course you need to add some text here. You can also choose the font style, maybe pop-ins, and a lot more, so you can have you can work with it. Now, here you can choose the image. Click that. You can get the image zoomed across the maximum or the minimum, and you can reposition your image in the time frame. Drag it to the preview area. Add to the design. Wait for it. And what will happen is you would have the option to use this kind of effect, all right? Another option is go back again to the apps, right? On the apps, I'm going to add another page here. Type in cutout. Click that. You can transform your text with background images and elevate your designs to the next level with type cut out, effortlessly blend text with the background images to create stunning visuals. Similarly to the font images earlier, just click on open and allow the permission, right? Just wait for it while it's loading font. You see that? This is going to be the dark background. Now, how about we use this instead? You see that? You can choose a background image of your choice. Click on the choose file. I'm going to click on our next design. Wait for it to upload. It'll take a little while. Now, the background is using this, right? If you're happy with it, click on start edit mode if you want. So you can drag on whatever you wanted to have the preview of this to transform its position. Once you're happy with that, all you're gonna do is click on finish editing. You can rotate if you want. You can scale, all right? So you have all of these options for you. You're not limited. If you do that right here, I think we're good. Click on finish editing. Add to design. Just wait for it. It takes a little while. And of course, from here, you can change the background again to the background of your choice. Say I'm going to be choosing this file right here. Let's see what we got. Or maybe this one right here. Depending on your preferences, of course. Now, let's try to play all of them at once to see if the changes are really good. This is especially useful if you're working with short words or initials. You can create, of course, more intricate design by mixing different images in each letter. You can also apply this technique to words or phrases that are broken into separate letters for an impactful effect. This technique gives you a stunning, professional looking design that makes your text stand out by filling it with a beautiful imagery, right? Now, once you're happy with it, all you're gonna do is click on the upper right corner. You see there's gonna be a share button. You can download it as PNG, JPEG, PDF, standard PDF, SVG, MP4. But the idea is if you're downloading as PDF or JPEG, you want to make sure all the images are selected, right? And click on done. Or if you wanted to save it to your maybe Google Drive, Dropbox, Microsoft OneDrive, or PowerPoint, you can also do that as well. If you can also embed that to your website like Squarespace and Wix. Click on embed. Click the embed code to your website. Now, if you wanted to share this to your teammate, to your team members, to your client, to multiple freelancers, or even your collaborator, you can also do that. You can set the permission level to only you can access or anyone with the link. If it does that, copy the link and share it to the email address that you wanted. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.